how to export your voice audio on Audacity. Hello guys, in today's video on this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to export your audio on Audacity. Actually it's very easy, so please just follow with me. First step is go to Audacity, and after you record your audio and you want to export it, all what you have to do is select it by double click on it. And now go here in the top, click on file, and then all what you have to do is so simple. Just go down to export and you will find export audio. After you click on it, you will be able to export your audio easy and fast. It's actually very easy, as you can see. So as we can see, or you can click on Ctrl+Shift+E. If this video was helpful, I hope you leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and thank you so much for watching until the end. See you later.